Well, this is an update video on the 302 air compressor. I put a new volt regulator on here, another starter relay, but I just put a new alternator on today, and new belt. I would start up tonight, but my parents are asleep, and I don't want to wake them up because this thing is loud. So when it's running. But anyway, I got the new belt on and everything, and it fits perfectly on here. Perfect. I can actually turn the engine over if I can turn it here. Yeah, see? That's how you know when the belt is good, when you turn the engine over. That's how tight the belt is. I need another fuel filter one of these days, because that one is pretty plugged up badly. Let's see. Like I said, I put another belt on it just today, and new alternator today, so it's got that on there. Let's think, what else? And that's about it, really. It's just that. But anyway, yeah, it's working pretty good, so it runs. It's just loud, like I said. So, but anyway, this belt here is like $6 or $7 at O'Reilly's, and the alternator is $45 plus a $12 cord charge on the alternator, so I got $12 back. So cash. So, but anyway, and when I had this thing running, this was like arcing across here and across everywhere. This side over here was arcing across here, that way. These two were arcing over here, and this was arcing across here on the coil. And like I said, this is an old fuel filter. Well, now it's an old fuel filter now. It was pretty clean when I put it on here. But look how much trash is in that fuel filter. Gee, that's bad. Well, anyway,